No. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Ledger Wallet, okay? So, like you are not idiot, okay? So you are not idiot. And what I mean by that is you are smart. You're currently watching how to store your cryptocurrencies safely, okay? A lot of people don't do this. A lot of people don't go to do this like learning curve that you must do in order to store your cryptocurrency safely. And let me show you. It's extremely easy to store your cryptocurrencies using Ledger wallets. Okay, so all you have to do is click the link in description and order yourself Ledger wallet. So that is the first step. If you don't own Ledger wallet, order yourself one now. Go to the link in description and you thank me later. Okay, so it's they are not expensive and it's easy to use. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use Ledger wallet. So come to ledger9.com, go to here and get started and click here start using your device. Okay, like you can see, getting started. Just received your device, don't even own it. Go to the link in the description and order now. Okay, so follow these 4 steps to get started. Okay, so like I said, you're smart. You don't want to learn these things from some YouTuber. Okay, so go straight to the top, go straight to the source. Okay, so when you come here, you know that this is legit because it's the company's step-by-step guide, and it's actually easy to follow. Like, come here and download the live app, first step. After that, choose your pin code, so it's like mobile phone has pin code, and write down your security phrase. Come here and watch this video. It explains it all. It's not rocket science. It's extremely easy. After that, you just install application on your device, which means that if you, for example, want to hold for example XRP on your Ledger wallet or Tezos, all you have to do is download Tezos app on your Ledger wallet, and then you can store it there. Okay, so that's what it is all about, and after that you can start using it. Okay, so straight up, it's really easy. Come here and check this out. This is like free information here. Okay, so it's straight from the source, so don't watch these stupid YouTube videos that are 2 years old. Just go here and check out. It's always updated. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you in the next videos, and keep your cryptocurrency safe, stay safe, and see you in the next one. You know what I'm saying? Huh?